Good day everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you see here, we have another project, another servicing that we'll do. This is a gelato ice cream machine. One of the tab is creating a noise. This is a beeper noise from the gearbox in the shop. So diagnose and we check the cause of the problem, and what we found is right hand side shafting, the bearing is damaged already because the ice cream mix enters inside and resulted to seize bearing. Also the gearbox bearing also is noisy. Since we are removing the whole gearbox motor, we are going to service it completely. So we remove the side cover and the front cover in order to dismantle the gearbox. It's a bit tough to remove the gearbox as inside is penetrated by the ice cream mix and everything is rusted. So this is the model of the unit, TV8-CC201A-ET Gelato machine. And this is the gearbox assembly. And from here, we will disconnect the power and for safety and dismantle
Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have here this
front and the side,
gelato machine,
back panel.
Vision 4.
There's
an issue with the noisy gearbox.
For the
so here the beater motor is creating noise,
gelato machine,
rattling noise, and we checked it. We found the problem is coming from the gearbox motor. Okay, so the gearbox motor it has bearing noise. So rather than changing the gearbox motor, which is costing some amount of money,
so that we can able to,
or expensive. This is a bit expensive for the whole gearbox beater motor. What we'll do is we're going to dismantle it and service the gearbox motor.
There is a
change the bearing and check the
or four
check also
locking screws inside the gearbox.
Warm gear inside. Okay, so how we dismantle it is first disconnect the power.
So we disconnected the power for safety. Then we start with this.
This is counterclockwise.
For this Teflon seal,
after opening this,
it is counterclockwise.
So this thing
clockwise
inside
means
here.
loosening, and then counterclockwise means
this to dismantle,
tightening.
And 1, 2, 3,
opposite from the normal threading.
Make sure
The same thing as the
observe
other
the safety first precaution.
main shaft.
Here we're going to take the color code
also
of the motor so that we will not be mistaken about the rotation of the beater. Using number 10 spanner.
So what we do now is we are removing the mounting screws so that we can able to access it. If you see here, there is a shafting which has a keyway. This is the main beater shaft, which is stuck up due to penetration of ice cream. So it is not easy to dismantle as it is eaten by rust. So we disconnected the power supply of the motor, or the motor connection. We mark it. And here, as you see, we purchase all the bearings. We dismantle the gearbox. We insert the new bearing to see whether it is exactly the same. So even the bearing seal, the shaft seal also we change. We purchase the shaft seal. All the required circlip change. So 30-47-7 is the shaft seal diameter or size. So basically, rather than changing the whole gearbox, it will cost you nearly $1,800 US. This because it costs us only around $120 with all the materials that we required. The gearbox oil, the seal, the bearings, and the insert clip, everything. So we are not just
Okay, so these are all the bearings and the seal.
we are also recycling, extending the life of the component.
How to recondition this.
So we dismantled the gearbox. This is the model of the gearbox Moto Vario. So after dismantling, we recondition it, we assemble. Everything now is like new. So we come back to the side. We remove all these 4 screws. Open the panel, the front panel, and we are going to install it. So those 4 lateral frames needs to be removed in order to insert the shafting on top. Because first you have to insert the
shafting
like that,
with this.
and then connect the
This is counter.
shaft inside the beater.
Counterclockwise lighting.
Is
Clockwise.
counterclockwise. Meaning,
Then here.
clockwise means it is loosening. Counterclockwise. Clockwise means
And we
loosening.
will fix this side frame.
Counterclockwise means tightening.
Reinforcement.
Be careful on that. So we have installed the
So
shafting.
we have installed the
Beater shafting first.
bolts here.
Then we connected the
So
lateral mounting.
So now it
Make
is
sure to fix first this the 4
ready to
screws under.
receive the
Or,
gearbox.
first install on
that's
top.
here.
Thread it.
These two now.
Let it be set.
Bolts
Let it set on the
on top.
center
and be
of
aligned.
the beater.
The reason why we fix first
Okay,
here,
that is the reference.
so that we will have
Then
the
after that, you can
alignment
connect
according to the warpage or to
lateral
the
frame support.
position
That will give you
of this.
a proper balance.
That's why we fix first this one.
Proper alignment.
Okay, again this
The
is
shaft.
for counterclockwise tightening,
So
clockwise
again here,
loosening. Okay,
to remove this, you have to do a counterclockwise.
now we will fix this gearbox motor.
Clockwise to loosen and counterclockwise to
Here.
tighten. Okay, so we fix the 4 screws on top and the other
We have
mounting screws.
installed according to the numbering
fix
that
the motor.
B, B2, U2,
Then connected
W1. So the wire has a numbering.
the
So
cables
3 to
according
1.
to our marking. The
This is
cable
for the thermal
has 3
protection.
to 1 marking.
For these two.
So
Now we're going to
and
fix
then
the
the terminal has this U1, B1 and W1. So again, this is the model Vision 4 TV. So we have connected everything, fixed back, and then we cable tie all the cables.
Okay, so we have started the unit. Now the motor is
Then we test the
working.
unit.
And
Now the
perfectly
system
okay.
is working properly.
No vibration, no sound,
No vibration, no sound.
rattling sound,
Coming
whatever.
from the bearing as
All the bearings,
completely
yeah.
dismantle the motor, and then we change all the bearings.
Okay, so this is
The only tricky part to remove
Vision
this is
4
the top part, the meter shaft.
Gelato machine,
Counterclockwise.
BGI
There's
Vision
an
4.
O-ring also, O-rings.
Okay, and the body plate of
The
this
center shaft also there is an O-ring. The root cause of the problem is O-ring after
This is the
some
model.
time it's getting worn out.
BGI
Liquid, ice cream liquid will enter inside the bearing or the shaft and
Vision
cause
4.
the bearing to get damaged. So if you like
Gelato
this video,
machine.
please like and subscribe.
Okay, so we did the
to,
servicing. As you see, we pull out the gearbox motor, we
so that
rebuild
for
the
next
shafting,
video, you will be notified.
all the seals,
So again, thank you for
the
watching.
bearing.
And I hope you
Okay,
like this
so
video.
done. The unit is
So
back
the
to
owner of
operation.
this,
And all is well.
machine saves
Mission
a lot of money
accomplished.
as the previous quotation cost him so much. And during the repair,
Just need to assemble
this
the
type of repair, it
cover
saves
of the
him,
motor. cover of the side panels.
to repair this machine. This machine is a bit expensive. So again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.